Thank you very much to Sony for sending us this smartwatch. This is the Sony Wena 3. It is a smartwatch that is built into the band. It is the first smartwatch ever that can be used with any watch as long as the pin slides in. This is actually built into the band and it's curved. It also has different ways to utilize it as an actual smartwatch. It monitors all common smartwatch related things. It also has numerous ways to pay via the watch itself, compatible with iOS and Android, and it's also compatible with Alexa. The box itself is perfectly in tune with the rest of their smartwatches, like the Fez Watch, the Fez Watch U. It's a complete cube, which is really nice. It has this outer sleeve that says Wena 3 on it, very nice. And it's also completely made in Japan, so that is incredibly good that they're taking manufacturing away from China, because China makes a lot of things, and it's good to build things in-house sometimes. So I'm not sure which way this opens. I'm just going to open it sideways like this. All right, there we go. The box is very hard cardstock. You can barely move this thing, and it has a foam insert on the inside because this is kind of raised to the surface as a way of presentation. We'll take this out and kind of put it off to the side and show you guys the rest of the box first, as we usually do. Put that over there, and it looks like you have a secret compartment down below with warranty information. So this is going to have your serial number. This is going to be utilized for your warranty, and you do get warranty on this 1 year because Sony is an international company and we are a distributor of theirs, so no problems there. This might actually slide out. No, it does not. So this opens up. Not sure what kind of goodies are going to be in here, but let's check it out all the same. So we have a USB-C cable to standard USB, and we have a something. This looks like some sort of proprietary snap-on charger. So it has a USB-C female there. You plug that into there, and then that most likely snaps onto the actual watch in order to charge it. Here is your start guide. Tells you everything you're going to need to know. There's that snap-on cable right there I was mentioning, and you have some more information. You want to hold on to all this. This is all regulatory stuff. Hand guide, hold on to that. And additional information found on Sony support and all that great stuff. Oh, it looks like we have some tools and some band snaps here. So these are the pins that you can actually utilize to connect different watches. You don't have to use a Sony watch. You can use like a regular everyday, just mechanical, non-electronic watch and still utilize this with it. That's why this exists. Now, if you want to use it on its own, you can. You can use this included silicone band. And we'll show you if you're a little bit confused how all this goes down. So this is the watch itself. What you do is you get a regular watch, like this for example, and you can actually put this in line on the back so that on this side is the normal watch, and then when you turn your wrist around like that, there will be the Wena, and that's meant to go on the bottom of your wrist, so when you go like that, you can pay for things, or you can do all of your activity tracking and whatnot from there. It is a beautiful piece. This is a nicely crafted piece. It's made out of stainless steel, of course, non-ferrous metal. It won't oxidize. It will not rust. It has some light buttons on there, and it has these very nice metal clasps, so you can put the pins in, and you have some sensors on the back there, 3 sensors right there, and your screen with all of your information going to be displayed under there. It's completely flush as well with multiple bezels and multiple lines, and we'll get into a full review in the days to come. This is everything you get in the box with the brand new Sony Wena 3 made in Japan smartwatch band attachment. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. And for GoodEReader.com, this is Peter.